Hey, friends, family on the internet, gonna play some Randy Rhoads, Crazy Train. He's a huge influential guitar player for me growing up. Ozzy Osbourne song, as played by Randy Rhoads, the live version. I hope I can do it some justice. This is my fifth take. I swear this is my last one. I hit the record button, it all goes to hell. I do great when I don't have the record button. It's this riff. I don't know why I can't do it when the song comes around, but here it is. I can play it like over and over again, little mistakes here and there, but when the song comes on, it all goes to hell. As soon as I hit the record button, we're gonna try this one more time. This is my fifth and final take. I said that on the fourth one, but I hope it goes well. If not, you're gonna see it with all the mistakes in there anyway. I'm gonna play this the best that I can. This is for you, brother. Laz always used to want me to play Randy Rhoads stuff, so this is kind of a tribute to him from, coincidentally enough, the Randy Rhoads tribute album. We used to listen to that thing, me, Laz, and Lou, on vinyl, so like the needle would fall off. So anyway, here it goes. This is it. This is it. Still not 100%. 97, maybe. There's still some flubs here and there. But anyway, I'm working on it. Next time, maybe I'll have it a little bit tighter for you. I'm done. I'm not going to play it again. I've been playing this all week. I'm sick of Crazy Train, to be honest. Well, I'm not sick of it. I love the song. I'm sick of messing it up every time I hit the record button. Ugh. Happy St. Patrick's Day.